707, you know what I mean? We coming with boss status for sure. Game to life, life to game. Kid next to Ken, Shondo, my brother, we coming out with an album. K Bliss coming out with his solo album. My boy Mouthpiece, he dropping an album, you know what I'm saying? It's on. It's on like that. Businessmen.
I love that, man, from the city, man.
Yeah,
nigga,
man.
out here, man, doing it big and 707, man. That's how we do it, man. All about the business, all about that cabbage and that good old cheddar, man.
For real. And I'm the real K Bliss. That nigga from Canada, he a fake imitating phony fuckface, nigga. You feel me? I'ma bring it to his hat, for real. You know what I'm saying? Everybody that see that MySpace, the K Bliss, talking about K Bliss in the building, he's a phony. The real K Bliss is the phenomenal Vanguard, for real, nigga. I put that on everything. I'm from the Bay, I push politics. All my niggas know me, can vouch for me, nigga. This 415 is the Bay Area. The nigga from Canada is not the real K Bliss, and you will hear my new album will diminish that nigga character. Nigga, he's dead. He's a dead man. He's over with. He's a rap. He's a fake imposter, and I will bring his hat to him. The king has already been crowned. K Bliss, phenomenal Vanguard. My nigga Mouthpiece. If you don't know Mouthpiece, you don't know Snook, you don't know Lucas, you ain't the real K Bliss, nigga. You's a fake nigga, and it's going on YouTube, bitch. Nigga, I will see you, nigga. Nigga, I want you, nigga. I want you. I want your body, nigga, and not in no faggot way. I want your body to devour your ass, swallow your ass. I'ma rip your spleen about your motherfucking spine, nigga. Yeah, that's my cousin that said, nigga, and we ain't playing in the Bay, nigga. This Fairfield, California, 707 415 415 510, nigga. All my niggas know me, nigga, out here. If you don't know them area codes and you ain't from here, you is not the real K Bliss. Nigga, like on Maury Povich, you are not the father, you are not the real K Bliss.
Nigga, and that's what it is, nigga.